voina ka thil ton chu amak hle maya ron ser lo thei lo ni in ka sia a kanu ne na kan sul nu fang turin kawak chuaka kanu in khovel min chua san hi karli na alo ni to a me ni som ni le pathum khan jingkara dan ni le mi som ni phanga a chatuan ram min pan sana he khovel a chua san ma london a alo zin a kan sul nu te ka phang kwa le ti in ka kal kwa la chuta chuan Parlament ko ta hian mitam tak mai an lo ding khoma upalam hliran nia tlang puin an ni ho hian kill the bill not the ill ti in an lo zia ka doctor te chunga an lung oi lo na te an lo soya tin suicide mani le mani in ti hlum na ani hei hi kan du lo ani ti pol an lo om boka achanin naw ti thlak te an du lo thu te an lo puang boka ale lama chuan achanin engwangin nge kanupui thitura Switzerland akal titen an lo tara thil chang chang an tara ni tin helai pona ding te po hi ain ko kal tak tak anom vele thawa te chuan Parlament hian he Tualthah na mi in du thanna aneya adu thanna alal turani ti laya kha an pass box ya rorel tu ni ero harangat ngat khopin arin om then ka chuan Christian kan ni a mi in adam pe to lawa thi alo thangani po in thi tak tak chu hlau lo khovela kan om lo ti ten athenin an soya chowang chuan an mang an na le tranpui an ngai na khan tranpuya kha an du thana kha rel ru thak thak kan ni awangin voina adu kha nak tu ka chuan adu le lo the ni ti in an tran chan boka tin Christian kan ni na kan Bible in Tualthah hi arem ti lawani ti in an tang boka an aw na sem ema amaro chu Parlament hian bill hi a pass lat mai ni engting nge an kalzel don House of Law ta ten la kalpui le anga tiang chuan an rorel na hian la kalpui zel don ani itar pakhat le putar pakhat kam ya
about 9 o'clock.
Okay.
And I think we're here about 3:30.
Yeah.
So after the MPs have voted in Parliament.
Okay. So where do you come from right now?
I'm come from Derbyshire.
Derbyshire.
Yeah.
Okay. So where do you say this? By you think doctor killing people?
I think it's just trying to point out that when doctors say somebody's only got 6 months to live,
Okay.
that if you look at the statistics, it's quite inaccurate, really.
Okay.
And obviously some people might live a shorter time, but many people live much longer
Yeah.
than the prognosis that they're given, sometimes several years more.
Yeah. So that means what they're doing, you're not happy for.
I'm not happy at all, really. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's you want more than that.
What I would like is that the endocare and palliative care system in this country be better funded, that it would be equal for people in every part of the country,
Okay.
and that everybody would have an option
Okay.
to die in dignity and comfort
Yeah.
naturally.
It's happened. Anyway, thank you so much for talking to you.
Okay.
Thank you. Good luck.
Give me your name again, Jimmy.
Jimmy Pachuao.
Jimmy Baptist on a YouTube.
Jimmy Pachuao in YouTube. Okay. Yeah.
I'm Gillian's husband.
Ah, okay.
I'm Andrew.
Okay. What you do together? You come all the way along
Yes,
from.
we came from Derbyshire together.
Okay.
So I just wanted to offer you this small card with some free films.
Yeah. Okay.
We've been convinced about protecting human life for many years.
Okay.
We're believers in Jesus,
Yeah.
and we believe human life is incredibly valuable, created by God.
Yeah.
Like, abortion should be illegal.
Yeah.
The penalty for murder should be life
Yeah.
because they've taken life.
Yes.
And so we are on a slippery slope, and maybe they'll legalise assisted suicide today, but
Okay.
it's a terrible thing if they do.
Yeah.
No, it's not a good thing.
Okay.
It may shorten somebody's suffering in
Yeah.
the cases of we've all heard the tales of folk that are suffering at the end of their lives,
Yeah.
but it's opening a door for pressure to be put on people who might be just depressed,
Yes.
and for a few hours they may want to die, but tomorrow their feelings may be very different,
Yeah.
and they would rather live. Everybody's got a fear of dying
Yeah.
and a will to live,
Yeah.
and the Bible says it's given us a choice between life and death, and it says choose life.
Yes, that is true. Yeah, well done. Many people saying that abortion is our choice as well.
It is a choice,
Yeah.
and before it was legalized in 1967,
Okay.
it was going on
Okay.
in an illegal way in the back streets, as they say.
Yeah. So
But it's not a good choice.
not a good choice. And then
It leads
also
to great problems for the mother.
yeah.
She could have had a healthy baby,
Yeah.
or maybe just a baby with some illnesses, but
Yeah.
she killed it. She'll be full of guilt.
Yeah. Anni nu pa kha Derbyshire tanga local an nia. An local na po hlawang bangkhop mai. Christian kan nia. Nau tihthlak hi Tualthah an ni. Chuan mi in kanung peito lo an tia. Doctor ten an tihlum mai thin hi. Hei hi Tualthah na ani ti in an soiboka. Kha Christian kan ni chuan hei hi kan ti mia lo turani. Tin Christian lo ta hne na po hei hi chu kan soi turani. Ti kha an pai ania tin kum tam tak he thil chung changa hian kan lo vei to kan lo bei to ani. An tia nima sela kan sarkar hian bil kha apas tlat chi chuan ti vak ngai naum lova tuna hian House of Law ta te an tlal pui le zelanga tiang chuan malak na hi a om don ani tin mi in alo dam lova nun alo pe to lova tin khata khan thi adu zo ka athang ta a chuta chuan kha a decision a kha naktuk loka akhak le mai the ni alo thale the ni ma kha chung te wang chuan khatiang Tualthah na kha thil thalawani e ti in an soya amai ro chu Parlament lam hian mi du thanna adu thanna kha alal turani antivele thungsia chowang chuan naw pai po in kapai pe le lo kadu lo anti chuan anti thlak athiang ani antia ten mi dam lovin kathi du to zo ke anti ni chuan Dr. Pathum anin ronanga chuta decision kal chuan kha mishing nun na kha an la the ni ti in an soiboka kang te Christian sa khuai na kan ti mia lo tur thil kha tuna hian dana kalme ka an lung oi lo hle ni kan khovel hi boina in akhat ani bere putar po in kong anon zoa kichuan elaya Westminster hemi big ben kota khan Parlament kota khan rang auna anron neya bitam tak tiang khan le kha anron kenga andu lo na kha Parlament ha khan anron tlang au kuingam thinani chowang chuan tu tepo Mizoram tepo kan niang chu waisan takin kan sarkar ina thil ti te kan du lo nei chu chang thoma tel thoma puang zel tur kan ni ti hi siang u boina om ni si labin den pon ngai lova tiang khan tu man ke boy lo tiang khan an du ang kha an tlang au mai ani ti kha kan siat apoi mo waisan taka dipna hi kal pui kha kan ti ngai turani Parlament atang hian he bill hi an pass ta sia ni tam takte helaya an om chan hi athon ani ria amai ro chu House of Law da te china kan soyang khan an lakhen zelanga tikan an kal zelanga enge ni he hian ara chwa don a thlen don ti ero chu hriat ani lova nema sela Christian te na kha mishing nun na kan lamai thi na kha an du lo zia an tar lan na kha an ron pho chuak ani bera an thil ti kha atha katia kan ngai lo dan ang te kan ngai dan ang te pho chuak ngama kan om hi thil tha tak ani le lam chuan Tualthah an poi tilawa amaro chu Christian chuan Tualthah nakha adu lavani ti in kan nem ngetange engtinge House of Lord lama akal zel don an ngai tha zelanga hunin alaronin fil zelang Donald Trump tepo America khan an buaina tam tak kha Donald Trump an nauti thlak a phal lo awang khan mi tam takin Donald Trump kha an huwa a nima sela pathian thuwa chuan Donald Trump kha adiklat mai ni thren khat te chuan thil ni om tak tak te poin an soi thina mi in nun apei to ngang lo ani si chuan enga nge an ti hlum mai lawang pe an tia amai ro chu ni edam lovin kadam pe to ngang lo ani tia thi adilani chuan chuta po chuan ni china kan soyang khan Dr. Pathum anin ronanga chuan annin decision an siamang ti in Parlament hian an pasta ani
pastor po the church does still there's many of my congregation are doctors and nurses many throughout the world the Catholic Church is made medical profession so it's still very much active but just not over there as much but I think still is when I walk into hospitals I'm always greeted by a nurse or a doctor
lai an mi po hian interview na te an lo nei a ti chuan eng ho zong hian ina an vei na sat em chu mishing nun na hi kan la tur ani lo nun nei kan siam thei ni lova nun nei a za oma chu wang chuan pathian ku ta da so ti in an soi be thung ani tin helai pa hian eng wanging ye kan pui su jar lana ki tura kal atia teng chuan ani hian le kha ziak me bin alo tar ve le thum boka boi thlat lại khóc mấy anh pon đi xe next video à kanin hule vek don nia tuna tan chuan kha song kha karon da the chu alo ni le ta in zawai chunga lom thu ka soya lalpan mal som vek chero se next video kan hule vek don nia